Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Tundra in Forza Horizon 5. This powerful truck isn't found in the auto show, so you'll need to use alternative methods. Primarily, you can acquire it through the in-game auction house or by completing specific seasonal challenges within the festival playlist. Understanding these two main avenues is key to adding this vehicle to your collection. Let's dive into the details. The auction house is often the quickest way to find a Toyota Tundra. Head to the auction house from your game menu and use the search filters. Select Toyota as the manufacturer and Tundra as the model to narrow your results. Prices can vary, so be ready to place competitive bids, especially for rare or highly tuned versions. Patience is key, as new listings appear constantly. Another excellent way to get the Tundra is through the festival playlist. This rotates weekly, offering new challenges and rewards. Keep an eye on the seasonal rewards, as the Tundra often appears as a prize for reaching certain point thresholds, like 20 or 40 points. Completing races, PR stunts, and championships contributes to your overall progress. Don't miss out on these limited-time opportunities. To maximize your chances, always keep a good amount of credits saved for the auction house. Also, make sure to participate in as many seasonal events as possible to earn those valuable festival playlist points. The more you play, the higher your chances of unlocking the Tundra or earning enough to buy it. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during your gaming sessions. Happy hunting, and enjoy your new Tundra.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.